Clio 2025 has arrived. The next Renault Clio, if anything, will be very different from the one ahead. This is really short. Once it emerges in the year 2025, Clio will be larger and livelier than before. When you look at pictures of cloth, you'll see that the human body has many different shapes and sizes, like a sack of potatoes. Dapat menjadi lebih besar dan lampu depan terlihat lebih baik. The bottom half is expected to receive a lot of change. Due to his possibly longer hair, Gaya Clio will help him look more attractive. Following the acquisition of new headlights and small bumpers for the rear, the vehicle must appear more contemporary and up-to-date. Renault Clio 2025 menyusul jejak leluhurnya dengan tampilan contemporary baru yang baik dan atletis. Clio has just gained a reputation for impeccable taste in modern fabrics. In the far future of 2025 Clio, a mesh roof will provide a more extensive and impressive cooling system. Bump depan dengan gisi beroperasi terhadap kendaraan untuk membuat penampilan ramping. Renault mewakili prestige dengan warisan mobil, memiliki logo yang lebih besar dan menonjol tentang identitas merek dan menarik perhatian ke fascia depan. New Clio is easily recognizable by its bright and curved LED light. In this case, the integrated day/night light source, DRLS, creates a unique C-shaped light that is both aesthetically pleasing and functionally more powerful. They also increase visibility. Lampu depan mengatur ke fender dan membuat pintu masuk luas. Because underneath it shows aggressive and athletic tendencies on the underside. In the following chapter, we will discuss the likelihood that 2025 Clio will have a new platform that improves efficiency and work performance. It is likely that the hybrid system will be one of the best parts. Renault akan menawarkan gaya mengemudi yang berbeda dan rentang harga, bahwa desa ini adalah pilihan listrik yang sesuai dengan desa dieses. The first stage is expected to be the hybrid ring system, which combines a small electric motor with a smaller fuel pump to heat the fuel. The plug-in hybrid version is probably also being used by people who want a longer battery life. In order to create a healthy and responsive environment, the Clio hybrid system will combine the benefits of a listrik pump with the flexibility of a standard pumping mechanism. The initial hypothesis states that plug-in hybrid models can only have a list price of 30 to 40 million. Simultaneously, the hybrid ring model will prioritize the enhancement of biomass heating. As a foundation for the two hybrid systems, Renault probably used a fuel-injected engine with a turbocharger, 1.2 or 1.3 liters. This will give them a good camper speed and bagger efficiency. When will the 2025 Renault Clio all-electric be available? It needs to be almost the same as the other mobile in the same grade. All new Clio models must include retro-styled, affordable prices. It is believed that the combination of technologies will make it significantly more expensive than the current model, but the price has not been announced yet. In what ways will Clio 2025 fail? The store must be open by the end of 2024, and delivery will begin the following year. The sheets have already been laid down for the highly anticipated Renault Clio Hybrid 2025. Renault ingin menjaga harga tetap rendah, yang merupakan Clio baru mungkin kesal terbaik di pasaran. It is really thick and filled with many new machines to be picked up. Recent media discussions have formed the basis of the topics presented in this video. Here you can also see graphics created using AI techniques. Sharing what we have learned is the driving force behind this video. Our deepest hope is that this film finds a meaningful home for you.